At 10 a.m., the body of Edith Katende Mufumbiro, wife of National Inter-Platform Deputy Spokesperson Waiswa Mufumbiro. The cathedral was filled with mourners, including relatives, friends, politicians at various levels, led by interim NUP leader Dr. Lina Zedriga, and many other sympathizers who had gathered to pay their last respects. Edith Katende passed away yesterday. The prayer service for her soul was led by the retired Canon of Namirembe, Canon Augustine Magala Musiwuffu, who used the occasion to speak strongly on governance and human rights issues in the country.
Njagala okumanya zendi munnamateeka, njagala okumanya buli muntu ali mukomera kwabo abaliyo benanigambye nti nno bantu banene batuyamba nga bamwalwana nabo netusanyuka. Njagala bwetuula ku TV yange njagala mmanye nti ono yakola kino. Yensonga lwaki twamukwata, ono yakola kino, yensonga lwaki twamukwata. Era saagala balweyo nnyo, lwaki oli amalayo omwaka.
He also noted that the country is currently experiencing pain due to various irregularities, particularly the lack of respect for human rights, which he said has led to loss of lives and visions among the citizens.
Bwe bamuleeta omulamuzi twagala ayingire nga amateeka ebiragiro tabijje above, just above, naye ebiragiro from heaven.
It was also revealed that the deceased had been battling with breast cancer. During his sermon, Reverend Canon Musiwuffu criticized the government over poor health services and rampant corruption in public institutions.
Okubba ssente za Uganda, eddwaliro kulw'entebe bayitayo lubowa, nali ndowooza ndirwalira koyo naye emyaka gye ndiko liriggwa ddi, kubanga nakakati n'ebirala bigenda emulago genda gwa olaba amalwaliro badokita bakaaba agaabwe gennyini tebasobola kugalabirira.
In the same vein, the leader of opposition in parliament, Joel Senyonyi, sent his condolences to the family and NUP supporters and called on the government to grant Waiswa Mufumbiro bail to enable him to attend his wife's burial.
Tusaba ekitongole ekiramuzi, nammwe muli bantu ate muli bakuumi b'amateeka. Etteeka likkiriza omuntu okuweebwa akakalu ka kkooti. Katusubire nti Waiswa ajja kuweebwa akakalu ka kkooti ne banne kuba bonna tebalina musango asobole okuwerekera mukyala we. Kwe kwali okusaba kwe.
Dr. Lina Zedriga also called on Ugandans to remain united if they are to bring about positive change and improve service delivery in the country.
We had lost the circumstances under which my beloved daughter Edith breathed her last as a mother, as a woman, as a grandmother. It was the most painful news I have received. As a wife, she needed her husband around. And a judicial officer had all the powers. There's a discretion. She, as a woman, had all the powers to grant her that one wish, to be comforted by her husband. And she did not use that power. A woman, a crime trumped up against her beloved husband. He never committed that crime.
Edith Katende burial will be on Saturday, 11th April 2026 in Luka District. Madundu Demiano, Charles Katabalwa, UCTV News.